this another video again. Please, this is part 3 of this class. Alright? Now we are going to be looking at another aspect of Surds, which happens to be question number 2. And in this case, we are asked to express the following as single Surd. Please, guys, do not skip any part of this video for your own benefit, because every step that we take, we always introduce principles that works, right? Now, we are asked to express the following as single Surd in front of the square root or before the square root without having coefficient before the square root. All right? So this is it. This is an example of what? Simple Surd. So we are asked to convert all of this now to this format. So it is a reverse of question 1, guys. All right? It's not a big deal. Number 1, we were asked to reduce, simplify to this level, which we did in question 1. But this question number 2 now, we are asked to resolve this to get the questions we had in question 1. So we are resolving our answer in question 1 to get back the question. Hope this is taken. Yes. So this is what we are going to be doing. In question 1, we solved and this was our end product. But in this question now, question number 1 will now be our end product. Our end product. This is it. Now, how do we get this done? To get this done, we are going to also use one of the rules. I think it's rule number 5, where we had, when we were given that if I have root AB, this will have given us root A squared B. Hope you recall this equation. Yes. So this rule. Hope you can recall. Hope you recall this rule. Yes. This rule in video part 1. In part 1 of this video, this is one of the rules that I gave to you guys. Now, in this case, every problem we are going to be solving under this category now, we are going to be using only this rule. That's all. We are going to be using this rule only. How do we use this rule, guys? We start number 1. With this as our solution, we have A. We are given 2 root 10 as our question. So, guys, all you just need to do to have this done is show that this will have become the square root of 2 raised to power 2 times 10. Is this taken? Bring in the number outside the square root, inside the square root, and put a power of 2. Just square it. So as you are taking this number outside the square root, inside the square root, you square the number. That's just all about this. Hope this is taken, yes. So automatically this would have given us the square root of what? 2 square would have given us 4. This becomes 4 times 10. And 4 times 10 would have given us what? 40. It's as simple as this. This is the simple form or the simple Surd of these questions. Hope this is taken. It's as simple as that. So now let's look at the part of it. We have that 5 root 3. This is equivalent to the square root of, guys, this 5 is outside the square root. So put down 5. And now inside the square root, just square the 5. Are you there? Then multiply by the existing number inside the square root. It's as simple as this. It's as simple as this. Okay? Now, all you just need to do here, guys, is after putting down your square root, is to what? Pull down 5, which is the number outside square root, and square the number. Then multiply by the existing number inside the square root, which was 3. Are you there? So the next thing we do is to find the square of 25, which is of 5. Now, the next thing we do here is to find the square of 5, which shows that this is 5 times 5. 5 square means 5 times 5, and 5 times 5 is 25. So you put down 25 times 3, guys. 25 times 3 would have given us what? 75. This is the answer to this very question. It's as simple as this. Then the next thing we do is to look at question number C. Of course, guys, I know you are so excited for the values that you are getting in this online tutorial class. Number 4, we have this is equivalent to the square root of. Now, what do we do, guys? We will bring in 4 that was initially outside the square root and square it, then multiply by the existing number inside the square root. This is it, guys. As simple as this. Then the next thing we quickly do here is to have our square root down. 4 square is same thing as 4 times 4, and 4 times 4 is 16. Hope this is gotten right. Yeah, it's taken right. Now, this will have given us 16 times 5. Then this becomes Guys, 16 times 5, we are going to have 8. Now you will see that all the 8 products we are having here in themselves, they are not perfect square, but they have factors that are perfect squares. Are you there? Yes. Now we now we are in question number D. We have 9 root 2. This is equivalent to the square root of that. What is outside the square root here is 9. So bring in 9, then square 8. Understand that we are using one of the rules that we stated among the 10 rules of sorts, right? Yes. Now, then multiply by the number that was initially inside the square root, which is what? 2. And now, guys, what is 9 square? 9 square means 9 times 9. And 9 times 9, guys, is 81. So we now have 81 times 2. And guys, the next thing we have here is 81 times 2. We are going to have 162. This is it. Then finally, the last but not the least is that we have 10 root of 7. And same way, we are going to have the root of 10 is the number outside square root, right? So we bring it in inside the square root and then square it. Then multiply by the existing number inside the square root. Are you there? Now, when we square 10, we simply have 10 times 10. And guys, 10 times 10 is 100. Then we are going to have this as 100 times 7. Guys, 100 times 7 will have given us 700. So you see that this is very, very simple. Guys, all you need to do, like I do always tell you, is to understand principles. When you understand the steps, you become a master. In fact, you approach mathematics questions with boldness, with confidence, with courage, without any phobia, fear in you. So please, you learn and forget, like I do always tell you, because you do not know steps, you do not know principles. When you know principles, even though you do not solve questions on that topic for a couple of years, you can still solve it even without doing revision. Why? Because you know the principles. So the reason why you have been learning, you forget, you learn today, you forget tomorrow, is because you do not learn the principles. So I urge you to always learn principles, right? And like I said, if this is the part of this video, this is the first part of this video you are watching, all right, you need to go to the part 1 of this video where we gave the basic introduction. We taught the basic introduction. We give several detailed explanations to the things that you need to be doing when handling problems on Surds. All right, so please guys, ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not done so, and also follow us on all our social media platforms. Like, share our videos for the benefit of your friends, well-wishers, and even your enemies that wish you there. All right, see you guys in the next video, and go down to the description below so as to find the link to the next video where we begin to look at addition and subtraction of